Talk. You want to say hello? Hello? Chat, how do I, bro, how do I teach him how to speak, bro?
You gotta play it whenever you go.
Hey, boy.
They'll get you though, be careful.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
They bite?
Oh, they bite.
No, they don't. He trying to get me.
We can try to take one out if you want.
All right. Yo, chat, should we take one out? Let's take one out. Let's take one out. No, I ain't scared. No, I'm not scared. I'm not scared. Oh, shit. Hey, boy. Hey.
There you go.
Oh, shit, they're out. They're out. Oh, what's good, boy? Stay out. Stop yelling! Like, bro, like, say a word. They keep doing that. Why do they keep doing that? Bring the, hold on. All right. So my cat never met an animal before. I want my cat to meet an animal. My cat never met an animal before. You see the cats? You see the birds? Oh yeah. Yeah, he's gone.
This guy's more calm.
Look, it's a cat, bird.
He's probably like, oh, I'm gonna get eaten by this guy.
Saying like motherfucker.
The other owner used to curse at him all the time, so they know how to say stuff. Now he has a mouthful of peanuts.
Dog, it's like, what is the food? The bird poop? No, he didn't. He didn't poop.
No, he's good.
Shut up. He did not poop.
He's dropping peanuts.
He's dropping peanuts everywhere. That's fine. Here. What about this one?
See this one? Yeah.
Come here, baby. Come out. Come on.
Come like to the side a little bit. And you
To the
should
side.
Yeah. Maybe not.
Good boy. Good boy.
They are both boys.
Good boy. Good boy.
Dogs can eat all the crackers now.
Shit, he can be a good vacuum.
Yeah, right?
You want green beans? You want a green bean? You want a green bean? Hey, be quiet. Want a green bean? Why they not barking then? Oh, he repeat what you said.
They're smart little guys. I don't know what they're always saying, but they're saying something.
Hey, boys. Nigga. Say nigga. Nigga. Say nigga. Who?
He said, yeah.
Nigga.
If he says it, give him a peanut. When he says it, don't give it to him yet.
Nigga.
Maybe no more peanuts because they're not going to talk anymore.